As more and more travelers seek adventures that leave a positive impact, destinations from Africa to Antarctica are rethinking how we explore the planet. The rise of ecotourism in the last decade has transformed the way we experience nature. From solar power lodges in Tanzania's Serengeti to reef-safe diving in Zanzibar, travelers can have a fully immersive experience. Starting now. Welcome to Big Safari Adventure. We'll be exploring the wildlife, landscape, and culture of Tanzania, Africa. If you're dreaming of adventure, what you're about to see in Tanzania will have you booking your flight, grabbing your camera, and racing to experience the wild like never before. You finally made the decision to book your trip to Tanzania.
Oh my God, are we really doing this?
I know.
Wow.
It's just amazing.
Me and my daughter, we have traveled so many places before, but the treat that we were going to go to Tanzania and see it in real life.
Here are some tips for booking a safe safari that not only has a good reputation for taking care of its travelers, but is also a legit eco-tour. Use reputable operators. Book through well-established tour companies that are members of recognized associations like the Tanzania Association of Tour Operators or the African Travel and Tourism Association.
My dad really did struggle finding a tour operator. He's not really tech savvy. So I found one that had a lot of good reviews on like Yelp, Instagram, and had some good presence.
Check reviews and ratings. Use trusted platforms like Safari Bookings, TripAdvisor, or Google to read genuine feedback from previous travelers.
This is a big undertaking. I mean, how do we know we're not getting ripped off?
Ask for a detailed itinerary. Be sure the package includes specifics on accommodations, meals, park fees, transportation, and activities to avoid hidden costs.
What did we use? Was it Zelle? PayPal. We used PayPal.
Use secure payment methods like credit cards or PayPal, which offer protection against fraud. Extremely low prices can be a red flag.
We booked our trip to Tanzania. I can't believe we're going.
It's obvious we're black, so it's like the motherland. It's really nice to go somewhere and like experience some sort of roots.
Now that your trip is booked, don't forget to make sure your passport is up to date.
Babe, do you have everything you need?
No.
Passport issuance or renewal typically takes 1 to 4 weeks, depending on the country, with expedited options available in many places that can shorten wait times to a few days.
Wait, how the heck do we get to Tanzania anyway?
Many safaris in Tanzania begin with a flight into the Kilimanjaro International Airport. A direct flight from North America typically isn't available, so most travelers take connecting flights through major hubs like Amsterdam, Doha, or Istanbul.
Something I've always wanted to do has always been on my bucket list. And to be able to bring my daughter along is a beautiful thing.
I bet they're gonna hit us up for vaccines the minute we get off the plane.
If you're arriving from an endemic country, meaning that yellow fever regularly occurs in that area, you will need to show a valid yellow fever vaccination certificate upon arrival. This includes layovers or airports of countries that you travel through during your connecting flights. As your plane touches down at Kilimanjaro International Airport, Africa's highest peak greets you.
I'm a Leo, so I want to see the lions. I want to see Mufasa, Simba.
While many travelers spend time either climbing or enjoying Mount Kilimanjaro, our journey will focus on experiencing wildlife in the Northern Circuit, which includes the Ngorongoro Conservation Area and the Serengeti, Lake Manyara, Tarangire, and Arusha National Parks. We'll wrap up our trip in Zanzibar